No. The Biafrans want you to have peace because we are businessmen. Our business can thrive in a troubled territory. The Biafrans want you to have peace because we are peaceful people. We don't have history of wars and destruction. We are people of peace. What the Biafrans want is for you to have a conducive environment to do business, conducive environment to develop, conducive environment to grow, conducive environment to be healthy, to live healthy life and grow old. Look at, hasn't our life expectancy fallen below 50 for men? And very near 50 for women. What kind of country are we living in? Currently, who is suffering in Nigeria? Even the Biafran territory is less attacked than any other territory. Kidnapping, which we thought was a Niger Delta affair, has moved to the middle belt.